Hi guys, my name is Ayush Patel and here is a PowerPoint outline and content for a presentation on World Coordinate System and Screen Coordinate System. I will provide all the details about my presentation and here is a presentation made by me, Ayush Patel. So, what is World Coordinate System and Screen Coordinate System? This presentation explores the fundamentals of coordinate system used in computer graphics and digital displays. Understanding this system is key to rendering and transforming graphics accurately. Computer graphics often involving drawing shapes and images. These are placed using different coordinate system. There are mainly two major systems, world coordinate system and screen coordinate system. So why are coordinate systems important? First of all is positioning. Locate object precisely in space or on screen, and the second one is transformation, enabling scaling, rotation and translation of graphics, and the last one is rendering, convert 3D model into 2D images or on screens. Defining the world coordinate system, which is also known as WCS. So what is WCS? A global system to specify object position in 3D space. It is a logical coordinate system used to define object independently of the display. User defined units, origin, orientation and scale are defined by the programmer. For example, 0, 0 could be the center of the scene. It mainly uses three axes X, Y, and Z independent of the device or screen, and the applications of the World Coordinate System or WCS are core to 3D modeling, CAD, and virtual environments. Define object locations. Coordinates are absolute and fixed. So, defining the screen coordinate system or SCS, which is our second topic. So what is SCS? A 2D coordinate system tied to the screen or display. Origin at the top left corner, coordinate measured in pixels, X increase right, Y increase down. So it is also called device coordinates. Coordinates are based on the actual screen or display. 0, 0 is at the top left corner. Units are typically pixels. X increases to the right, Y increases downwards. And the usage of the screen coordinate system SCS are controls where pixels are drawn on the screen based on device resolution and viewport size, essential for the final image rendering. So, what basically differences between world and screen coordinates are as follows. So, world coordinates are user defined and screen coordinates are top left of screens. World coordinates are logical units while the screen coordinates are pixels. World coordinates are programmer defined and the screen coordinates are x right and y down. And the last difference is that it is modeling and design while the screen coordinates are display and rendering. Transformations from WCS to SCS. An overview given by me in the presentation is model transformation, position object relative to the world origin, and the second one is view transformation, adjust coordinates for the camera viewpoint, and the third is the projection transformation, converts 3D coordinate into 2D projection, and the last and the final viewport transformation maps 2D projects to the screen pixels. Step by step transformation process. First, apply model matrix, translate and rotate object within the world, and second, apply view matrix, adjust coordinates based on the camera locations. Apply projection matrix, flatter 3D to 2D using perspectives or orthographic projection, and the last one is map to viewport, scale and translate to screen pixel coordinates. To display objects, world coordinates, normalized coordinates, and device coordinates on the screen. Transformation includes scaling, translation, rotation, important for rendering graphics properly. Scaling and viewport mapping. First, scaling adapts world unit to pixel dimensions precisely, maintains aspect ratio, and prevents distortion. Viewport mapping defines the area on the screen for rendering, transform normalized coordinates, and allow flexible screen layouts. So the summary of the coordinate systems are essential in computer graphics are world coordinates helps define the scene, screen coordinates are used for actual display, and proper transformation ensures accurate rendering. Clipping, ensuring visibility within the screen. The purpose, remove parts of the objects outside the viewport, and the process, trim polygons at the screen edges to optimize rendering, and the benefits are improve performance and visual correctness. Practical applications and examples like video games, CAD softwares, virtual reality. So video games use world or WCS for 3D world layout, SCS for display. CAD software precise modeling relies on WCS with screen mapping for visualization. Virtual reality combine coordinate system for immersive environments. Conclusions. The conclusion is key takeaways and future directions. Understand both systems. WCS and SCS are foundational for graphics rendering, master transformation, accurate conversion in your seamless visual output. Explore advances, new algorithm improve coordinate mapping and clipping. So special thanks to our faculty for this guidance. And this is the Q&A. If you have any questions for about my PPT, so you can ask me and contact. And thank you for giving me this opportunity for presenting this presentation. Thank you.